All right, Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, June 18th, and today is here's the ES morning call. All right, we got a whole slew of numbers today. We got consumer price. These are all at Eastern Standard Time. Consumer price 8:30, jobless claims 8:30, current account 8:30, Bloomberg Consumer Comfort 9:45, Philadelphia Fed at 10 a.m., leading indicators at 10 a.m., EI natural gas, and then a bunch of bill auctions like that really matters. I'm sorry, I'm being, how do you say, sarcastic about the way rates are being treated. But yesterday, interest rates, they say they're going to do two. I say they're lying. We're not getting any this year. So this is my opinion. You can take it for what it's worth. Anyway, this morning, gold is up $20. So going back to the 1200 area. So is gold basically telling us that the numbers coming out are going to be horrible, or was the Fed's reading into the economy yesterday showing that the market's not doing as well as they expected? Also, bonds yesterday rallied up to 151 again. Are we on our way back up to the 160s if they do not cut the rate? Because I think people were anticipating the rate cut, and then the language yesterday was kind of very hawkish, and that it was not, they're not ready to do that. Oil trying to go up to 61 bucks. I mean, up to the 62 area. It's trading above value. So we got oil at 61 and a quarter, but it's got to take out that 62 and a half. It's trading above value. 59.93 is our bull bear zone. You could get these charts on our Twitter and so on. All right. Okay, so here's our day chart. We're sort of back above this area that we talk about, this 2089 to 2082 area where we broke out. I don't think we're out of the woods. I mean, we legit have to take out 2113. Well, you can see it right in here on the day chart. Get a close above that on the cash. The 2113 area will, actually be the area where the market would become bullish again. All right, bullish again. And I've been calling for the market to go down to the 20 half area. So the bull will not die. The bull will not die. I'm not saying the bull's going to die this year. I'm just saying that that's what I was looking for. So I'll take a look at the cash, my cash prices that I'm looking at. So we got, we got to be above 2098 half. Given where we're at right now, we're at 2095 in the futures. So if I add about 8 points to the 2095, puts me at 2103 in the futures. So it looks like we're going to be, opening. I'm sorry. If I add the 8 points, we're opening at like 2103. And then I've got my next really support and resistance is 2105 in the cash. This is a cash chart. Then 2109 half, and then 2113 is, so I got it right here, it's 2112. So those are the big numbers. If we sustain a rally, then I think that that will be it for the pullback as far as that I was concerned. I'm looking at the profile. Here's the profile overnight. We've got a high of 2096 half. We got a low of 2081 half. All right, and I've got some unfinished structure here from the 16th, and so on. So are we ready to get above and sustain the rally? That was the pullback to 2070 good enough? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. All right. So as far as today goes, the top of value is 2094.75. Bull bear zone 29. I'm sorry, 2091 half will be the point of control. 2088 the bull bear zone. 2085.75 the bottom of value. Our middle yesterday came in at 2093 half, basically down to 2091. All right. So that's where we're sitting today. I think we got a bunch of news coming out. We get some disappointing news will we go back and test the bottom half of the bottom half of the range? Right now, the 5 minute pivot is sitting above it. All the sisters 5 minute pivots are bullish right now. So, it's all going to start changing come 7:30 this morning when all these numbers hit. So, if you're not in a position, I'd stay on the sidelines, let the shit hit the fan, and then after that, we'll make a decision about where we should go. Stay with us on Twitter. Also, tune in at 8 o'clock because now we'll be on Top Step Trader, and you'll be able to see where we're at here. So remember 2088, the bull bear zone. And then my big numbers in the cash are going to be 2103, 2105. And the ultimate number is 2113. 2113. We got to get above that to get the market going again. All right, to the upside. Everybody have a good day trading. We'll talk to you later. Bye.